All right, guys, so today we're going to be talking about my EDC, my everyday carry for spring of 2024. Now, this doesn't really necessarily matter for spring specifically, but it is the beginning of spring, so I wanted to give you guys an EDC video, and I want you guys to let me know what you carry all down in the comments below. This is the stuff that I carry on a daily basis or have been lately, so let's get into it. Let's go ahead and move all this fun stuff off to the side. Don't really want too many spoilers here. All right. So let's get started. First and foremost, the phone that I use is the iPhone 15 Pro Max. As I'm sure you guys have seen on my channel before in all of my videos, I am an iPhone person. I'm an Apple person. You know, I have a MacBook, I have the iPhone, the AirPods. I'm working on getting a new iPad as soon as those come out. Apple released the new iPads already, please. As of right now, they haven't been announced yet. But yes, I am an Apple person. Now, I know all you Android guys and girls, you love your Android devices. There's a million different ones. And shout out to my friend Passive. He's down in the comments below all the time. This man switches phones more than some people switch cases, or some people switch so many other different things. He switches phones all the time. So shout out to you and your indecisive self. All right, so yeah, like I said, iPhone 15 Pro Max, I've really been enjoying this thing. I love that it's USB-C now. Finally, it makes my workflow so much easier. The black titanium color, I've really been enjoying it. It feels great in the hand. The titanium feels good. It's a good bit lighter than the previous phones. All in all, the iPhone does it for me. I use it for work all the time. You know, between all my devices. At work, we all use iPhones, so the calendar, everything just works so well together. And I'm just an iPhone person, so that just is what it is. But I know you guys don't care about that. Let's see what's on the phone. So you guys have seen this on the channel before. This is the Benks Armor Air in this montage colorway, or this montage design from Benks, like I said. Now, this case, I've been going back to this case a lot, and I've really been liking it. I'm very much so like a minimal case kind of person. I love all different kinds of cases, as you guys see on the channel. I have a million of them, but this case I always lately have been coming back to, so I figured it would be right to include this one in my EDC. I do have a dedicated video for this case, and all the links to all the products, as well as any videos I have for them, will be down in the description below for you guys to check out. But this Benks Montage Armor Air case has really been doing it for me. It's got excellent MagSafe strength. It's nice and thin. It looks really good with that black titanium color. I really love this metal black camera ring. And this case just gets the job done. I'm not someone who drops my phone or anything like that. So this case I really been enjoying. I do come back to it a lot. And this is the one that I decided to choose for my spring EDC. So this case comes in at $44.99. So not too expensive, but not too cheap. But I definitely think it's worth it, and I highly recommend it. You guys can check the video down below. So that is the iPhone that I'm using, the phone, and the case that I've been using. Now, next, let's go ahead and move over to my AirPods Pro 2. Now, the AirPods Pro 2 are absolutely essential for me. I use these things day in and day out. I use them at work all the time. I use them at home a lot. Any phone call that I get that I know, you know, sometimes somebody calls you, they like to kind of talk a lot. They'll talk your ear off for 45-minute minimum phone call. This is absolutely essential. Or some earbuds, but for me, yeah, the AirPods Pro 2 are essential. I use them every single day, pretty much all day at work. I'll have one or the other in my ear. I usually never really use both of them at the same time, which, by the way, these are the Comply foam tips. They're excellent, much better than Apple's silicone tips that come with it. I'll leave those linked down below, but I use these all the time, and I absolutely have to keep these in my pocket. They are in my EDC. And on here, we have the ESR Cloud Series AirPods case. $7.99 on this one, $8. Super sleek case, very nice. And what I love about it is it does have those magnets right there built in, so you can absolutely slap it onto a MagSafe charger and it'll be good to go. So I've really been enjoying this case a lot. I pretty much charge everything MagSafe all the time if I can, and this case really makes it essential to charge with MagSafe. That even though they do have MagSafe built in, the AirPods themselves, just a nice case on it. I do sometimes drop the AirPods. They are a little bit sleek, so definitely having this on there is really nice. I've really been enjoying this ESR Cloud Series AirPods Pro 2 case. So that's that. Now, let's move over to the keys. Now, I didn't bring my car key over here. Nobody really cares about that. But I did want to bring over this key organizer. This is on my key ring every single day. All I do is I keep my car key, the key fob, and this on there. Nothing else. And this thing is awesome. So there's a lot of different ones out on the market, especially leather ones. I wanted a leather one versus like a titanium or a metal one because I don't want it banging against my key and scratching that up. And also I keep usually a pocket knife in that same pocket. So I don't want anything scratching anything up. So I decided to go with leather. Now this thing will hold 7 keys or up to 7 keys. In here I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 keys. Holds it very comfortably. And one other thing I like about it is it's very simple. It just has a Phillips head screw. Rather than using a hex key or any other weird tools, any screwdriver, you literally put it in here, turn it left to unscrew it, turn it right to screw it in, and you're good to go. And I really recommend a key organizer. Now this one was $29.99, but definitely keeps your keys really nice, sleek. It looks very classy. If you have your keys just laying there on the table, you know, it's definitely a good looking thing, and it also is very functional. I really, really like this. I've been using this for a few months now, and I'm very happy with it. And as you can see, it still pretty much looks brand new, even though this thing is in my pocket and on my desk every single day. So, leather key organizer, definitely need that. Now, let's move on to the wallet. Now, I'm usually the dad wallet kind of guy. I'm usually the one that has the regular bifold wallet that opens, you know, all the cards and the cash slots and everything like that. But I've had this Ridge wallet for quite a while now, and actually, about a week ago, this is the Ridge Forged Carbon wallet. About a week ago, I decided to go ahead and put my cards in here just to give it another run. I use it every so often, but I put all my cards in here, and I've really been enjoying this. It's super sleek. This right now has, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 cards in here with no issues. Now, it'll hold up to 12, and as you can see, without me revealing too much information here, there we go. You can see that Costco card. There we go. Good old Costco membership. That's essential. But this thing stretches so far. It can hold so many cards. And it's really been nice to use a lot. Now, I don't have any cash on me. But if you do carry cash, and which I usually do, I like to keep the cash in here. Now, this is their cash strap, which it also comes with a money clip version. I chose the cash strap version. But very nice. You just slip a couple bills in here or whatever you decide to put in here. Put it in, and it straps down like that. Holds it nice and secure in this super nice and compact size. Like I said, I have a bunch of cards in here. You just kind of pop that up, fish through your cards. Now, these are my real credit cards and real all information. So I'm not going to go ahead and take them out here for you guys. No scamming me. But yeah, I mean, I've been really, really enjoying this thing. It's very nice and sleek. Put it in your front pocket or your back pocket. Virtually takes up no space. It's just about as thick, a little bit thicker than the phone itself, and really good, very nice to use. I definitely recommend it. Now, the price on this one is a little bit steep. We're talking, for this specific one, $125. So that's pretty pricey, but they go in all different price ranges and materials. I got the Forged Carbon one. Very nice Ridge wallet. I really definitely recommend using one of these if you want a super minimal wallet. Pick yourself up a Ridge. So leave that right there. Next, let's go ahead and talk about our microfiber cleaning cloth. Now, this thing, first of all, if you're like me, you have a bunch of tech. You're always wiping stuff down because you don't like, fingerprints all over the place, especially on the screen and all that. So this is the Spudz 10-inch by 10-inch microfiber cleaning cloth. And basically, it just folds right into itself with no issues. You can attach this to your pocket or your key ring, whatever. I usually either keep this in my pocket or my backpack, but it's very convenient, super small, and then when you want to use it, you literally just kind of push this out, right? And then you just pull this awesome microfiber cleaning cloth out. I know it's really wrinkled. I just kind of stuff it in there. But you pull out this awesome microfiber cleaning cloth. It's super, super soft. And then when you're done with it, you literally just kind of force it in there, Just like this. Let's see. Let me see. Oh. You just kind of put it back in there, just fish it in there as best as you can. I kind of noticed it goes easiest like this. And sometimes it may be a little bit of a hassle to kind of try to get it back in there, but it's so compact that it's really, really easy to use. And I've really been enjoying this. I use it all the time. I wipe a lot of my products down with it, and you literally just kind of stick it back in there. Now, I've been doing this kind of behind the camera, so it's a little bit more messy than I had it before, but it's all in this really little compact packaging, and if you fold it up nice in there, it'll be much thinner than this, and really convenient with an excellent microfiber cleaning cloth. You can wash it in your with your laundry, anything like that. Really good to go. I highly recommend picking one of these up. Definitely if you wipe your tech down or whatever, your glasses, your sunglasses. I wear sunglasses a lot. So if you use those, definitely I recommend picking one of these up. Now next, let's go ahead and move over to my knife of choice. So this is the Benchmade Bugout 535. So this is made out of steel. Let's see what kind of steel this is. This is S30V steel. Very nice knife. This thing is super light. And I open a lot of packages, guys, especially with all this YouTube stuff. You know, I'm getting new packages and buying new cases every single day. And this knife is really convenient. It's very light. It just clips right into your pocket. I use it to open a lot of boxes or cut down boxes before recycling or anything like that. You just literally open it up, open whatever packaging you're looking for, and it has this nice closing mechanism right here that you just pull that down and it closes. So definitely recommend having some sort of little pocket knife on you guys. I know if you're like me, I'm always opening boxes or helping somebody cut something open. If there's some kids around, especially like Christmas time or anything, you have your knife on you, you just open whatever toy, you know, that the kids got for Christmas and close it up. It's good to go. Very thin knife. It's great for summer, springtime, especially when you're wearing shorts and things like that. It's so light and so small and compact that it's very easy to hide and conceal. Now, the price on this one, it's a little pricey. This is $190, but Benchmade makes a bunch of different knives, and they're some of the best knives you can get. Benchmade makes very high quality knives, so I definitely really recommend picking one of these up, or having, not necessarily the Benchmade, but just having some sort of pocket knife really always comes in handy. I notice myself using this thing just about every single day. So the Benchmade Bugout, this is my pocket knife of choice. And last but not least, which is something that I have heard not too many people talk about, is a pen. Now, if you guys are like me, I'm signing stuff a lot. I'm writing documents, you know, I like to take notes on certain things. Like even just before this video, you know, I write my little notes down on my notepad and everything like that. This is a pen from Nomad, actually. I got this pen a little while ago, and this is my everyday carry pen. A lot of the times, I'll be honest with you guys, I do forget this sometimes, but when I do remember to pick up my pen, I always reach for this one because you never know when you're going to need to write something down, take a quick note down. Like even if you're in a rush and you need something, you can even write on your hand or whatever. And this is a very nice, solid pen. The price on it is $50, so it's a little bit pricey for a pen, but it is the steel aluminum version. It also comes in a titanium, but this is the steel aluminum that I have. And just listen to how this thing clicks. Such a nice, satisfying click on this one. Very nice. It writes really well. I don't know if you guys are like me. I hate a pen that's all like scratchy when it writes or smears all over the place. Whereas this pen is very comfortable to use. It has these nice little ridges right through there so you can hold it while you write. Everything, it's good to go. And it's very nice and compact. It fits right into basically the palm of my hand, and no problems with this. So definitely keep a pen on you sometimes. You never know when you're going to need to write something down. Or, hey, somebody might ask you, hey, do you have a pen? Might need something important. You never know. Could be a little conversation starter. Good for networking. So, never know when you'll need a pen, but that is always something that is good to have. So, yeah, guys, I mean, that's pretty much it. That's my pocket carry every single day for the most part. Like I said, this sometimes lives in my bag. Other times it stays in my front pocket. But this is the stuff that I carry pretty much on the day-to-day basis. You got the phone with the case, the AirPods with the case, you got the wallet, key organizer, very nice, love this thing. You got your pen to write stuff down, your knife to unbox things or cut things open, whatever, microfiber cloth, you're good to go. So let me know what you guys think about my EDC. I'm very interested to know, do you guys carry any of these same things? Not necessarily the exact same item, but like, do you carry your AirPods with an AirPods case or a pocket knife? Do you carry some sort of minimalist wallet? Let me know down in the comments below what your EDC is, what your everyday carry is. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Links for all this stuff, as well as any videos I have on them, will be down in the comments below. And if you're interested in checking out this Benks Montage case, I'll leave that video right there.